An OBD2 scanner diagnoses car problems, reads error codes, and improves maintenance efficiency. Today's video is about top 5 best Car OBD2 scanner that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Motopower Car OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 code reader is a practical and user-friendly diagnostic tool for everyday vehicle maintenance. It offers multiple functions including reading and clearing engine fault codes, viewing freeze frame data, I/M readiness, live data stream, real-time curves, and vehicle information. The built-in DTC lookup library makes it easy to identify engine light issues without needing extra tools or apps. It is widely compatible with most 1996 US, 2000 EU, and newer OBD2/CON vehicles, supporting multiple languages for added convenience. The 2.8-inch LCD screen with clear backlight ensures easy reading of data, and the device draws power directly from the car, so no battery or charging is required. Its compact design, flexible cable, and simple button layout make it easy to operate even for beginners. However, it is limited to engine-related diagnostics and does not support ABS or airbag systems. Overall, it's a reliable, simple, and effective tool for quick engine diagnostics and routine car maintenance. Now our second product is ANCEL Car OBD2 Scanner. The ANCEL AD410 OBD2 Scanner is a reliable and beginner-friendly diagnostic tool trusted by many users, including automotive experts. It supports a wide range of vehicles compatible with OBDI protocols, including most 1996 plus US, 2000 plus EU, and Asian cars. With multilingual support and no need for an external battery, it is powered directly through the vehicle's OBD port, making it very convenient to use. One of its strongest features is its ability to quickly read and clear engine fault codes, with a built-in database of over 42,000 DTC definitions. This allows users to easily identify issues without searching online. It also supports advanced diagnostics such as O2 sensor testing and EVAP system checks, helping improve fuel efficiency and emissions control. The 2.4-inch color display and simple interface make it easy for both beginners and professionals. However, it is limited to engine diagnostics and does not support ABS or airbag systems. Overall, it's a practical and effective tool for everyday car maintenance and troubleshooting. Our third product is VDIAGTOOL Car OBD2 Scanner. The VDIAGTOOL VD10 OBD2 Scanner is a practical and user-friendly diagnostic tool designed for both beginners and DIY car owners. It connects directly to the vehicle's OBDII port and allows quick access to engine fault diagnostics within seconds. With functions like reading and clearing codes, live data, freeze frame, I/M readiness, and vehicle information, it provides a complete basic diagnostic experience. One of its strongest features is the built-in DTC lookup database, which instantly shows fault code definitions on the screen, saving time and eliminating the need for online searches. It also supports important functions like emission system checks, helping users prepare for smog or inspection tests. The device is compatible with most OBDII vehicles and supports multiple protocols, making it widely usable across different car brands. Its plug-and-play design, clear LCD display, and no battery operation make it very convenient. Overall, it's a reliable and easy-to-use scanner for everyday vehicle maintenance and troubleshooting. Now number 4, VDIAGTOOL Car OBD2 Scanner. The VDIAGTOOL D200 OBD2 Scanner is a powerful, professional-grade diagnostic tool designed for advanced vehicle troubleshooting and maintenance. It offers full system diagnostics across engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more, giving users dealership-level access to most vehicle modules. With lifetime free software updates and no subscription fees, it provides long-term value for both DIY users and professional mechanics. One of its standout features is bidirectional control, allowing active tests on components like fuel pumps, injectors, fans, and windows. This makes diagnosing issues faster and more accurate by verifying part functionality directly. It also includes 26 essential reset and relearn functions such as oil reset, IPB, SAS calibration, and throttle relearn, covering most everyday maintenance needs. The Bluetooth connectivity and mobile app support make it highly convenient, turning a smartphone into a diagnostic workstation. With real-time graphing and wide vehicle compatibility including CAN FD and FCA auto-auth support, it's a highly capable and modern diagnostic solution. And our last choice is ANCEL Car OBD2 Scanner. I recently used the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 Scanner and found it to be a very practical and reliable tool for everyday car owners. It quickly identifies the reason behind the check engine light and allows easy reading and clearing of emission-related fault codes after repairs. The device also shows live data, freeze frame information, I/M readiness, and basic vehicle details, making it useful for quick diagnostics. Build quality is solid, with a durable and flexible cable that feels long-lasting. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a glove box or tool bag. The screen is clear and the buttons are simple, so even beginners can operate it without confusion. It powers directly from the car, so no batteries are needed. It supports a wide range of OBDI-compliant vehicles, making it a dependable home-use diagnostic tool. Overall, it's a straightforward, fast, and cost-effective scanner for basic engine checks and maintenance awareness. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.